Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we've got another little salvage motor. Picked up a little Fiesta, been it in the front, needs a bit of love. I managed to go out and get all the bits that I need. Let me turn you around and show you how bad it is, and tell you what we're going to do with it. There she is, little 1.2 Fiesta on a 59 plate, been it in the front. The back's fine. It's got a couple of little scratches down there, just due to general life, nothing to do with the accident itself. It had some previous damage. There's a little ding here and a chip that we need to attend to. The rear quarter, it had this, I've pulled this out, this was folded under, it had a ding. Well, it was about that big as where my hand is there. It was folded under, and it's marked there as well. I pulled that out, smashed it out a bit. I've got to dress that up and sort that out. And we've got some paint chipping down there. So we're going to repair and paint that, and then we're going to sort out this front end and replace all the bits. So the wings are fine. The bonnet's absolutely mullered. You can see it's creased across there. Let me lift the bonnet up. The front panel is dead, as you can see. The headlight's dead. The chassis leg is absolutely fine. That's the bumper iron. I've bought a whole rad pack and slam panel, which is down there on the floor. Another headlight over there. We've got a bumper in colour, a new bonnet in colour, so we should be able to strip all this lot off, put the new red pack and everything in, headlight, bumper, and get the bonnet on, and that takes care of the front. This is something that anyone can do really. If you're thinking about a bit of salvage or what have you, and trying to dip your toe in the water, as they say, you don't have to have everything painted. You can go and find it in colour. Now, I could have bought that bonnet in a different colour for about, on average, they're about 100 quid, give or take. Some people want more, some people, they go right up to 180 quid, 200 quid. I found a couple local to me that I could have bought in a different colour for about 100 quid. If I wanted to travel a bit further, I could have got one for 80 quid. I'll give 140 quid for the bonnet in colour. By the time I buy one in the wrong colour for 100 quid, say, prep it inside and out, paint it inside and out, I might as well just pay 140 for that and bolt it on. Front bumper, only one I could find local to me without fog lights to match this car was 125 quid, but it was worth it. Got that, got the slam panel, red pack, bumper iron, the whole lot, 70 quid, and headlight was 50 quid. So most of the parts were fairly inexpensive to fix the whole front end. Now, if you was buying a car for yourself to do up and just use and get it cheap, you could just put all that stuff on and use it. But we're going to repair the rear quarter bit, and the bumper is scuffed. I think it's scuffed down this side as well. Yeah, there's a few marks on it down here. So, and because of the scuffing around the other side, I'm probably going to paint the whole back bumper just to tidy the car up. This is an old motor. I don't normally entertain older stuff because it's hard to make a drink out of it, but because of COVID, because of the prices, and people not being able to get hold of salvage cars, the prices have gone right up. People are trying to sell these for £3 still. Little 09 10 plate Fiestas and that, they want sort of 2-3 grand, which is madness, but you just can't buy them. If you look for yourself on Auto Trader, eBay, all second-hand cars have gone up. So we managed to win this for a good price. By the time I paid the fees and everything, this car done, painted, materials included and all the parts, should owe me about 1,300 quid. Done, hopefully. So what I want to do is get it all done, wrapped up, and then we've got scope. I see this motor, I don't know, like 1895 or something like that. So we've got scope, and we should still be able to be reasonably cheap. The good thing about this car is it's only done 60 thou. So the actual inside and everything like that is actually, I know that's physically dirty where we've been getting in, but it's a clean car. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom you in. Yeah, there we go. 65 thou. So it's a good little car. If this was high mileage, I wouldn't have touched it. But quite straight in general for its age. Obviously, you've got a few little scuffs and stuff. This is kind of normal for a car of its age. Bit of dirt down here we've got to clean up. But yeah, it'll be alright when it's done. Let's get this thing stripped down, shall we? Well, that was an absolute pain in the back end, shall we say. So, this little bolt here did not want to come out one bit. It was so full of crap inside there. Oh, you can see the head of the 10mm bolt down there in the middle. It's all corroded, and you see me brushing all the crap out. It was so bad. I ended up just snapping the bumper out of it. Luckily, we're going to put another bumper on, so it don't matter. So I'm going to try and get some mole grips on that and remove that. And then we'll put some new bolts in there, so we'll be able to undo that. So I'll get that sorted. Let's get this red pack and all that disconnected and get that out. Yeah, and get the new lot on. Just had a look over me red pack and that little bolt. They've cut through everything, all of the cables and the pipes and stuff like that, and wiring. So I've got to go around now, and I've just started. There's the air temp sensor and stuff. Oh no, it ain't, it's just a bung. But yeah, anyway, I've just started unplugging all the wiring. So I'm going to go around, strip all the wiring, remove the cable, and unhook all my pipes, and then we'll start to remove that bit off. there she is, all off. The only other little bit of damage is this little breather pipe that goes into the airbox housing. So I'll disconnect it from its plug, bond it back on there, and then plug that back on. All the pipe works good. Everything else is alright. Chassis rails are perfect. If you like spiders, you'll be well happy with that lot. Yeah, I'm going to clear some of this rubbish up, have a sweep up, and then we'll start putting a new lot on. See you in a bit. Let it warm up a bit in here. That's that all glued back on. It's on, it's drying, but it's so cold. Well, it's only just got up to 8 degrees now in here. It's absolutely freezing, so I'm going to warm it up in here, give it a chance to go off, and then we'll put the front panel on. Walk back in, someone come to look at the car that doesn't want for sale. Dave's got a bit carried away, he's nearly put it all back together now. So yeah, we'll just go and finish the final bits. I'll try and time lapse some of that, and then we'll see you in a bit. Guys, that's the front end all put together. I've made a boo-boo, and I'm not going to tell you what boo-boo I made. I purchased something incorrect, so I'm going to let you guys leave me a comment and tell me what's wrong. I will change it, but yeah, I messed up. There's a pile of scrap, and that's that all back together, all in colour, looking quite well. We've obviously got to do the body work and some touch-ups and, you know, tidy it up a bit. But that's as simple as it is. If you want, you know, if you wanted this for you, like I said before, you could have done all of that and drive it now. We're going to sort that out, obviously. Make that look nice. Do the back bumper, some little marks down there. A couple of little chips there. Oh yeah, look around there as well. And then that bit there. So we may as well do the whole back bumper, tidy it up, give it a good old clean up, and be a good little car. Not bad at all. So, if you can figure out what I bought wrong, leave me a comment. But that's that bit done. Another little video on this little Fiesta when I do the other bits of body work on it, and we'll make that like a little painting video. But yeah, thought I'd film this today, show you what I was up to. I'd love to wish all of you lot a very happy new year. Hopefully it'll be better than 2020. I know some people have had a terrible year. Mine ain't been that great. So yeah, I wish you all a happy new year, and we'll see you on the other side. As always, massive thanks for watching. Stay safe and be lucky.